Mm. Shri Guru Charanam Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoyi Savadhanamate Jaharam Prasadem Bai May Bhavatori Jahai Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite. Yeah, that's how Krishna Prapti happens. By Daitava Pache Pache Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hote. Krishna Prapti doesn't happen when there is a miserable mind. Krishna Prapti doesn't happen with this stunted, contaminated, foolish intelligence. No, it doesn't happen like that. Krishna Prapti happens only with Guru Charana Padma. Krishna Prapti happens when we are so fondly with the Bhagavatas, who are the lovers of the Lord. Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chittata Koriyaikyam Aranang Koriho Manim Asha Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamangati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha. All the ashas are fulfilled. We only need to do Dahi Dava Pache Pache. Sarva ashas are fulfilled. Chakshudan Dilo Jai Janma Janma Prabhu Singh Divya Jnana Hriday Prakashito Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate Vedagaya Haracharito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janar Bandhu Loknath Lokera Jivana हाँ प्रभु खोरो दयांते हमोरे पाद छायम ए बजाश पुषु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं Jai Guru Devam Jaya Guru Devam Jaya Guru Devam Jaya Guru Devam. That's why, how long will it take to go back to Godhead? Can it happen in one lifetime? Why one lifetime? We hear, right? One glance of causeless mercy from Bhagavata is enough to do the Dayi Tawa Pache Pache. Run behind this Bhagavata, lover of Godhead. Krishna, Krishna, please. That's it. Why one lifetime? Even while we are in this mortal frame, Sakiranugati Seva can happen. Then why wait? Wonder what everybody would think though. Maybe they have other priorities in life, to really relish Jada Rasa, miserable Rasa. And that's why they want to think, maybe. And maybe something else, not the love of Godhead, Not such a sweet thing. Really got used to the Jada Rasa. Or, I have to toil, work hard. Work hard with this miserable mind, work hard with this crippled intelligence, and I will try my very best. Whatever can happen after working hard with this miserable mind and crippled intelligence, that's all I can do. Really? Why take that route? Why do you think that is bhakti? Bhakti is simply Amidayita Pache Pache of the Bhagavata, the lover of Lord. Yeah. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Krishna, bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from the lotus feet, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. वैष्णवेरा पादधूली ताहे मोर स्नान केळे अर्पण मोरा वैष्णवेर नामा धन मोर नित्यानंद पति मोर गौरचंद्र प्राणा मोर युगल किशोर. Without Daitava Pachapache, where would be Namaruchi? Without that, where is unconditional Vaishnava Seva? Where is love of Godhead? What are we thinking of? Go home, back to Godhead means. Hmm? Simply Daitava Pachapache. वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. The groves of Vrindavan. When we do Daitava Pache Pache, running behind these lovers of God, Mahajanayana Gata Sapanta, simply run behind him, follow their footsteps, where their Vani becomes Aikya with our Chitta, and they infuse what they have in their heart. When that happens, wow, we see ourselves in the groves of Vrindavana. How did we end up here? Where is that miserable mind, huh? Where is that foolish intelligence, huh? All that gone? Demolished? All gone? And now groves of Vrindavana. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namo Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ei Abhilashi Etomara Sharanaloy Taravancha Purna Hoy Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana Vasi Moraya Bhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayani Haribo Sadam Yukala Ruparasi Eini Vedana Dharo Sakhirano Gata Korum Sevadhikaro Diyam Koroni Chadasi. There is no way to come to this Sakhiranugatya Seva without Dayitava Pache Pache. Without running behind these lovers of God. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful to just Mahajanayana Gata Sapanta simply hear what they have to say and do it. Yeah, simply hear from them, hear about them. ये है भक्ति, वो सब भगवान के बारे में है. Then Sakhiranugatya Seva, the groves of Vrindavana. We don't even have to wait until we quit the body. What to speak of back home, back to Godhead in this lifetime? Why not in this moment, huh? Why the whole lifetime? All it needs is just a loving, merciful glance of a Bhagavata, a lover of the Lord. Acharya Upasana. When that becomes our Shwasa, love of Godhead is right there. So, in that way, Sakhiranugatya Seva and Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Namora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayina Basi Yani Kanicha Papani Brahmahatyadikani Tani Tani Pranashyanti Pradakshina Pade Pade.